eating for healthy heart, a complete diet kit. But if I told you that one of the most powerful medicines for your heart isn't found in a pharmacy, but on your dinner plate? The foods you eat every day can lower your risk of heart disease, diabetes, stroke, high blood pressure, and even some cancers. Today, let's learn how to build a truly heart healthy plate. Many people think healthy eating means giving up their favorite foods or following strict diet, but that's not true. Healthy eating is about balance, variety, and making small changes that you can maintain for life. What is a healthy diet? A healthy diet means eating a variety of foods in the right proportion. It's not about avoiding one food, it's about creating balance every day. Your plate should contain plenty of vegetables and fruits, whole grains, healthy proteins, healthy fats, and moderate amount of dairy. 1. Fruits and vegetables. Aim for at least 5 servings every day. You can choose fresh, frozen, dried, canned without added sugar or salt. Fresh fruit juices, limit to 150 ml per day. What are the benefits? More vitamins, more minerals, more fiber, lower risk of heart disease, and better digestion. Remember, colorful plates usually means healthier meals. Whole grains, choose brown rice, whole wheat bread, oats, whole grain pasta, and millets. Whole grains contains more fiber. Fiber helps to lower cholesterol, control blood sugar, and improve gut health and increase fullness. Healthy proteins, choose more beans, lentils, chickpeas, fish, eggs, and skinless chicken. Eat only fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel at least twice a week. Reduce sausages, bacon, processed meat, fatty red meat. Dairy products you have to choose low fat milk, low fat yogurt, reduced fat cheese. These provide protein, calcium, and vitamin B12. You have to limit butter, cream, and ice cream. 5. Healthy oils. Choose plant oils such as olive oil, sunflower oil, and rapeseed oil. Reduce butter, ghee, coconut oil, and palm oil. Remember, even healthy oils contain calories. Use them in moderation. Portion control. Healthy eating is not only about food quality. Quantity matters too. Simple guide. Vegetables, half your plate. Protein, 1/4, and whole grains, 1/4. Eat slowly, stop when comfortably full. What all foods to reduce? Salt. Too much salt increases blood pressure. Avoid adding extra salt on the table. Use herbs and lemon instead. Sugar. Reduce soft drinks, sweets, cakes, cookies, sugary tea, and coffee. Small changes make a big difference. Saturated fat. Reduce foods like butter, cream, processed meat, and fatty meats. Fast food. You have to focus on hydration. Drink 6 to 8 glasses of fluids daily. Best choices: water, milk, unsweetened tea, unsweetened coffee. Limit fruit juice for 150 ml daily. Alcohol. If you drink alcohol, drink in moderation. Have alcohol few days every week. Less alcohol means better heart health. Don't change everything overnight. Start with one habit. For example, eat one extra fruit daily. Replace white rice with brown rice twice a week. Walk after dinner. Cook with less oil. Healthy habits grow slowly. Remember these simple rules. Eat colorful foods. Eat more plants. Choose whole grains. Reduce salt and sugar. Choose healthy oils. Control portions. Stay active every day. Your heart will thank you. If